Good morning, children. This is your Wits Kids. So let's start today's GK module. We will start from lesson number 36, that is page number 82. Freaky inventions. Inventions can range from important things like engines, machines, televisions and computers to the smallest bottle cap. So here you have to identify the common things from the descriptions. Their names are given in the help box below. Okay. So the first one is, this invention was at first used to fasten the books and shoes in place of the buttons or buckles, and was invented by Whitcomb L. Gerson. So here you can see this is the zip fastener. Zip fastener. Next, in 1974, Arthur Fry invented this sticky paper note that was reusable, stuck to surfaces, and when peeled off left no trace. So these are the post-it notes. Okay, post-it notes. In 1899, John Valery designed this tiny thing originally invented by the Matthew Scully using a flat loop and lag. This single piece of the wire keeps papers together. So this you can see is a paper clip you often use. This invention was made by the Walter Hunt in 1849 in just 3 hours. This little object made with a piece of wire is used the word over the clutch or grip together. Clothes together. So this your mothers use in daily life. This is the safety pin. Safety pin. The fifth one is 1945. Hungarian Laszlo Joseph Biro used the idea of making ink flow through a tiny ball in a writing instrument and made it a practical and usable invention. It is still in use. So here you can see the ballpoint pen. So the answer is ballpoint pen. This invention was initially named Mistake Out in 1951 by inventors Bethe and Graham Naismith, known as the liquid paper. It was used, it covered up typing errors. Okay, so it is called correction fluid. This whitener uses, so this is called correction fluid. This invention by Marvin Chester Stone of USA in 1886 was originally used to drink the liquids using pipes made of paper. This is the drinking straw which you use to have liquids. This invention made by the John Edward Lundstrom in 1855 used the stable red phosphorus to produce a quick, easy and safe way of making fire. All of you are using this at your homes, that is the safety matches. The last one is, this invention was made in 1955 by George de Mestral when he noticed that prickly plants called the cocklebur got temporarily caught in his dog's fur. Today it is used to fasten the shoe, clothes, bags and all kinds of things. To open the ends are simply ripped apart. This is Velcro which you use in your clothes. So this was all about the page number 82 and 83. Now we come on the page number 84. This is lesson number 37, the fantasy word of the Roald Dahl. Read the 6 sentences below and match each of the Roald Dahl books given in the box. Beware, there are 4 extra names that do not match. So here the clue is given. The first one, the old green grasshopper, the centipede, the earthworm, the ladybug and the other insects live inside a huge magical fruit and have many adventures. What was that? James and the giant peach. Right. That is James and the giant peach. Okay. The Oompa Loompas helped the mischievous candy maker Willy Wonka run his shop. Who was that? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Right. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Wormwood sent their brilliant daughters to a school run by the awful headmistress, Miss Trunchbull. Remember, children, who was that? Matilda. Matilda. Yes, Matilda. A brave young boy and his Norwegian grandmother thought a fiendish plan to get rid of all the children of England. And who was that? The witches, right. Bogies, Bounce and Beans are the 3 wicked farmers who were always outwitted by a clever animal who lives down a hole. And he was Fantastic Mr. Fox. The Mughal worms were the pet monkeys who escaped their unkind owners with the help of the roly-poly bird. And this was the twits. The twits. Now we come on page number 85. So what is to what? Here are some more expressions, complete them. Birds is to fly, fish is to swim. This statement means just as a bird fly and fish swim. So just like this, we have other words to complete. First is the horse is to stable and man is to house. Ant is to insect, dog is to mammal. Square is to 4 and hexagon is to 6. Ink is to pen and the paint is to brush. Prime Minister is to country and Chief Minister is to state. Now try the same with the following. London is to Thames and Delhi is to Yamuna. So Thames, it belongs to London and Yamuna belongs to Delhi. Peter Parker is to Spider-Man as Bruce Wayne is to Batman. Mount Everest, the Himalayas and Mount Black is to Alps. Pandit Ravi Shankar is to sitar and Ustad Zakir Hussain is to tabla. Gateway of India is to Mumbai and India Gate is to Delhi. USA is to Star Spangled Banner as India is to Jana Gana Mana. Sachin Tendulkar is to cricket and the Konaru Humpy is to chess. India is to tricolor as United Kingdom is to Union Jack. Steve Jobs is to Apple as Bill Gates is to Microsoft. Earth is to Moon as Jupiter is to Ganymede. Eden Gardens is to Kolkata as Chinna Swamy Stadium is to Bengaluru. Newton is to gravity and Einstein is to relativity. Okay. Now this is page number 86. State and vehicle codes. All motor vehicles have registration numbers that we can see. These numbers and the letters combinations are actually codes to identify a vehicle. They allow the police to identify the vehicle in case it is lost or stolen. So the first two letters, the number plate tell you the state in which the car was registered. So you have to guess the names. So here GA stands for Goa, JH Jharkhand, GJ Gujarat, MH Maharashtra, CG Chhattisgarh, ML Meghalaya, PB Punjab, TN Tamil Nadu, AS Assam and UK Uttarakhand. Now here you have to just write down the names of the other states whose registration codes you know. Activities C and D you can do on your own. Now we come on page number 87. Here are some special vehicles and their descriptions. So we have to match with them. So here the first one, A. Vehicle belonging to the foreign diplomats have white letters on the blue background with a license plate containing the letter CD, standing for Corps Diplomatique. Okay, so this belongs to this picture, fifth one, right? CD. So this is fifth one. Now B. UN vehicles have white letters on the blue background and contain the letters UN. So here you can see this is written UN. This belongs to B. So here I will write 4. Private vehicles have black letters on the white background. Okay. Here you can see the black letters and white background. So this belongs to C. Here I will write 1. D is the military vehicles have a code that begins with an upward pointing arrow. Here you can see the upward pointing arrow. So answer is 3. Now commercial vehicles have black letters on a yellow background. So what is left here? This is the yellow background and these are the black letters. So answer is 2. So this is all about the page number 87. Now we move on. This is page number 88, lesson number 39, that are the Olympic symbols. For the first time ever in Olympic history, a special set of the symbols called the pictograms were made for each of the 41 events featuring in the 2016 Rio Olympic held at the Rio de Janeiro. The word pictogram literally means the painted word in Greek. Identify and write the names of these 16 pictograms. This is the first one and this stands for archery. Here you can see the archery. Here this is the second one. This is gymnastic. Third one. This is tennis. Fourth one. This stands for the synchronized swimming. This is the fifth one. Here you can see someone is moving, that is the rowing. Here this is athletics. 7th is rhythmic gymnastics. 8th basketball. 9th fencing. 10th sailing. 11th boxing. 12th triathlon. 13th taekwondo. 14th modern pentathlon. 15th beach volleyball. And 16 is diving. So this is all about page number 88 and 89. Here this is page number 90, that is lesson number 40, symbols in computers. So your computer keyboard has keys that are not letters or numbers. They are called the typographical symbols. They have interesting names and uses. Here we have to match these 8 symbols with their names and the descriptions and write the correct matching letters next to each symbol. An ellipsis is a punctuation mark used to leave out a word, sentence or any part of a text without changing its meaning. That we shows by these 3 dots. ET is the Latin word for and character called the ampersand was created by joining the letters E and T. Okay, so that is used to make like this. An obelisk is used to represent one of the 4 main arithmetic operations. What is that? Minus and 2 dots shows division. A hashtag or number sign is a type of label that is now popularly used on social networking sites and micro-belonging services, and that is shown as this hashtag. A caret is a symbol that is used in places in documents where a punctuation mark, word or phrases should be inserted. So how we use that? We use it like this. The most famous application of an @ sign can be seen in the email addresses. And what is that? That is uses @ like this. The copyright symbol is used to denote the legal right to use and distribution of any original work, and that is used as C in a circle. Then asterisk is one of the most widely used typographical symbol. It looks like a star, and here it is used as a star. It is actually made like this, star. Underscore is a character that is used to create the visual spacing within a sequence of the character where a white space character is not permitted. For example, email address and internet URL is, and they are used like this, underscore. Tilde is a special character that can be used to mean many things. For example, approximately in maths, you would have seen this character on your computer keyboard just below the escape key. So what is that? That is this symbol. Okay. So here the page number 91 and 92 quiz for yourself. As you have completed the whole syllabus of GK, so this quiz 1 and quiz 2 you can do on your own. Complete your work, children. Bye bye.